This is part 2 to skin the gerbil. Skin the gerbil one more time. Looks like this. It's a really nice, smooth, flowing trick. When you do skin the gerbil, one of the things you really want to think about, get your yo-yo spinning fast, get it smooth, and keep it dead center in the string. A lot of people tell me they have a hard time getting through this whole trick. It is a longer trick. And what makes it a little more difficult is you're doing a lot of side maneuvers and you're really swinging it around, so the yo-yo has a lot of time to kind of push into the string, tip over and stop spinning on you. So it's really important that you keep that string dead center when you're doing it. So we've gotten this far. We've hit the string, we went under, doubled up, brought it back around, and we're here. The next step isn't too bad. You're actually just missing once and bringing it back over like so, and then undoing that. So what you want to do is get up to this point with me, where we're here. And from here, what you're going to do is unwrap that part, and you're going to swing it around your non-throw hand pointer. You're actually going to miss that string entirely. And then the next step, you're actually going to come around and hit the string. You land it on the string like so. So one more time, let me break that down for you. You do the beginning step that we went through in part 1. You come back around, hit there, that's the end of part 1. And then you undo that, you come around and miss. That's all you're doing is missing. And then you land it onto the string. Then you simply unroll, unroll, you're back in trapeze, unroll, and catch. And then that is skin the gerbil.